Some questions have no answers. Others aren't so easily solved. Blink and you might miss it. There are some places, these remote places, quiet places. For centuries, people have been drawn to this place, tempted fate to walk here, defied the elements to build here, and risked it all to make their spirit here. They probably couldn't tell you what it was that drew them, only that something compelled them to stay. I wonder if it surprised them, or if they expected it all along, this spirit of silk and wax, tropical fruit by the Highland sea. Is there something in the water, something just beneath the earth? But there's a joy in not knowing, to savour the unseen, the puzzle with too many pieces, the key without a lock. Then for the briefest of seconds, you feel as if the pieces fall into place. And you smile, knowing your destination lies not in the answer, but in the moments we savour along the way.